Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to be learning how to do this front ruffle bobo. First, you want to get your favorite fabrics. Make sure your fabric is stretchy. This one I'm going to be using this for my own. So let's go. I'm going to cut it into different shapes. So this is the base, that means the cap. So you're going to be cutting 18 inches by your head circumference, which is maybe 22 inches. So you fold it into, so that will be 11. Then you want to, this is the front ruffle. I cut out 30 inches long by 8 inches. That's the width. And then the base, that means the base of the cap. So let's go to the sewing machine to sew it together. The first thing you want to do is to sew the base with the front base. You want to sew it together. So you're going to put that one in the middle, then you're going to add these two together, then you sew it out. Just follow how I'm sewing it. You're going to get it because it's very simple. So this is what it's going to give you. As you can see, this is what it's going to give you to get the neat work. Then you're going to stitch in the down part too. That's what I'm doing right now. So you stitch it in. Then after that, you fold it into two, as if you want to sew your band together. But the down part, you're going to sew it, and then you're going to leave 1.5 inches or 1 inches. That is where we're going to pass our ruffle through. So then you want to join this side. Then you want to mark out your head circumference. My own is 22, so I mark out 11, and then I stitch it. Can you see the way I stitch it out? Then you stitch it till down. Then the next thing you want to do, you are going to use your serger to do it so that you can have a neat work. Then you use your needle and thread to make a ruffle at the back, just like normal how you do your normal cap, to make the back ruffle together. So that's exactly what I did, and this is what it gave me. Then after that you want to go back to your machine and stitch down your ruffle. Now we're going to be making the ruffle. So after stitching down the ruffle, this is what it's going to give you. Watch carefully how I'm going about it. You're going to make a ruffle like this, then you pass it through that hole that we left the other time, that 1.5 inches hole. Can you see? Then you pass it through. Just watch how I'm doing it so you can get it. Can you see it? Then you pass it through it. It's very simple. If you don't understand, you can watch it the second time. By the time you watch it 3 times, you are going to understand. And this is a very good turban making is a very good business where you can make with a low money and you can sell any type at any price that you want. Just like this one that I'm making, I can sell it for 5,000 naira. And the material, I only bought the material for just 1.5 for 1 yard. And even that 1 yard, I can still do 2 out of it. I can still make 2 out of the 1 yard, which is, I'm making a lot of money. So you can still sell it for 3,000 naira. So it is a very good business. Then just watch the way I'm doing it and you're going to get it. It is very straightforward, and then that is it. Then you stitch it down just like that. As you can see, stitch it down. Can you see the way I'm stitching it down? Be careful, because that place is very narrow, and then you don't want to make a mistake. Then you turn it out. After stitching it, you turn it out, and that's it. Your cap is ready. Just fix it, and then your cap is ready. Can you see? Ta-da! That's your cap right there. It's ready. Let me put it on the mannequin head so you can see how it looks like. I'm going to do that right now. Do you see how it looks like? Can you see that it's very beautiful? And that's it. Thank you. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like this. Please like, share to so many people so they can benefit for it.